Go, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. You're excited.
Miss your bed?
You excited? You miss your bed? You miss your bed with mommy?
Don't strain so you won't fart.
I know.
You won't fart.
Tita. Huh? Yeah?
You said your bed. She said
So I got my bed back.
say bed back. Say bed back. No, say bed back. Say bed back.
You fall down?
Say bed back. Dea. Dea.
Say, oh my goodness, the smell of the Lysol, you're gonna kill me. See? I got my bed back.
You got bed back? Yeah? You got your bed back?
You love your bed, right? That's a big girl bed? Yeah, no playpen, right? No playpen, crib, big girl bed. Yeah, you're gonna be climbing out of there soon. I see you trying to lift your leg up. You doing a booty dance? You better stop. Not my daughter. No booty dancing. You gonna do cat daddy? Do Dougie. Do Dougie. Whoa. What you doing? Trying to stand up without holding on?
Gangsta.
You're gonna fall down? Boop. That's it? No more standing up? Your legs are tired? Clap, clap, clap. Yay! You're supposed to clap. Yay! Okay. Yay! You can't clap with one hand. Okay, maybe you can. You gonna read the book to me?
Tita. Say, I miss mommy, I miss mommy, I miss mommy. What?
You tell her, say, I miss mommy. She say, dada.
So you miss that?
You could at least say, nana. Something. You said, dada. Oh, boo, 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 boo. Your fake crack up. You cracking up? Okay, Dida, tell bye-bye camera.